Memories outlive the summertime. On the shores of Lake Jacksonville, dreams are bigger than they seem. Here every child discovers they're stronger than they dream. A paddle cutting through the water, campfire lighting up the night. A first canoe, a first adventure, 1,000 moments burning bright. Every challenge builds tomorrow, every laugh becomes a song. The lessons learned beneath these trees stay with us our whole lives long. Since 1948 we've gathered generation after generation, not just to spend another summer, but to build character, confidence, and imagination. Because talent isn't measured by the games we play online, it's measured by the stories we'll still tell years down the line. It's more than a camp, it's where memories are made, where confidence is quietly shaped, where nature opens every door, and every child leaves wanting more. Welcome home to adventure. Welcome home to discovery. Welcome home to Western Illinois. Youth Camp.